Good afternoon, guys. It's been a hot minute, but I've come out to Van of Cleves today. I'm going to take her cover off. She's been busy drying out, and with all this beautiful sunshine, I think we're about ready to rip out her guts, basically. I've also got a window trim seal thing for the passenger door. So I'm going to look at the manual I bought on eBay to see if we can replace that today. And start her, because I haven't started her for 2 weeks. So let's get her uncovered. I had to climb in the back because I've parked so close to the railings I can't get in, and I couldn't open the passenger door. Kids have been using it as an ice cream van, hence the mess. Right, so let's get in and start her up. Oh no, she's got cobwebs on the steering wheel. I'm sorry, darling, I've neglected you for the last 2 weeks. Right. Oh, okay, she's in. I'm back, sweetheart. Oh, I'm glad I didn't film me seeing that. Right, okay, guys. Here we go. Here we go. So I'm going to try without the choke first. Here we go. Right. Wish me luck. Okay, that's a no. Right, let's put a peg in. She's got petrol in, so... Oh my gosh. Trusty old peg. Right, here we go. Ready? Oh, fuck it. That's a no then. Oh, what a start, eh? How many times do I try it? I don't know. Is it already just flat? Oh, it did! Yay! Oh, the excitement. There we go. Look, she's done. Oh. Okay. She sounds like Doc Cotton. Today, I want to fit this. Now, I just Googled window seal for a Bedford rascal. It came up with this. There's no reason for me to think otherwise. Got it. It doesn't look the same as this one here. So what I'm going to do is get my trusty manual out and see how to take the other one off. So the good one, well, say good, it's got moss on it. And then see about getting the same one, basically. I'm just so glad she started. The reason I've decided that I'm not going to refit it into its original state, as in all the hardwood and heavy stuff that it's got, is that firstly, she's old. She's 1987, or I probably want to take choke off now. She's 1987. I don't want to go down the line year, 2 years, probably not even that long, and she dies on me, and then I've paid all that money to refit her, and I can't do anything with it. Whereas Outlandish, I can take it out and put it in my next van or my next project. I love that idea. So you're just investing. You're not investing to lose it later, like you're proper investing. Because if we got another work van, I could just put it in there at weekends. Anything. I mean, there's so many options. Oh, she's purring now. She's purring. Yeah, so now she's dried out, I can probably start ripping out the wood, fixing that wood to a state that it's safe and legal. Get her decorated, get Outlandish in. Here we go. Bedford, Vauxhall, Rascal, and Suzuki Super Carry. Let's see if you can help me out here. Oh, it's been years since I looked in one of these books. Okay, windows. Let's look at 1110 first. 1110. What do we got here then? Side loading door lock, removing weather strips from top door. What, you just pull them out? Well, let's have a look. So here's the. Oh, that can't be that easy. stop it. Is that in the right even? Well, so there's the moss. Oh dear, look at that. So it looks like, oh, I see, look, they're broken. That one's okay, broken. That one's okay. That one's okay. So there's some sort of clips that fit in there and there. Okay, but that's nothing like the one I've got. Okay, and this one's missing it completely, but it's got no clips. So it looks like I need this and the clips. So it could be salvage yard or get on my Facebook groups. Because I didn't manage the task of replacing the windowsills today, and to make myself feel good, I've decided to give her a good scrub in the cab here and put a coat of Ultra Grip on the dash. Now, Ultra Grip is something I use on furniture when it's like veneered or high shine furniture where the paint might not adhere very well. It's like an amazing primer. So I'm going to put it on everything that is going pink to start making her feel good and look nice, because I feel like I need to achieve more than just starting her today and emptying out the back. Right, here we have the Ultra Grip. So I'm gonna put a bit in. Now I have got an extremely small brush. That is because I have some intricate places to get into. So I am, oh, can you see? Just gonna start painting this coat on. And make sure it's quite a matte sort of textured dash, so I'm going to make sure it gets in all the little bits. Oh, I'm very excited about this. It's early the next day. I left late last night after ultra gripping the dash, the steering wheel, the side panel doors, the gear stick, the handbrake, the lot. And I rushed back here. It's really early, but I really want to get the dash pink. Also last night, I took photos when I left of everything I'm getting rid of in the back. And I put them on a Facebook group. I put them on 3 Facebook groups that are dedicated to Bedford Bambis, and pretty much all sold this morning. So to different people, I really need to get them out. I think I made like 260 quid, which is not bad, is it? Just for some cushions, some cupboards, and fantastic. Let's get on. Anyone who knows me knows that this is my go-to pink. So it's a water-based eggshell, and here you are. You're going to witness the first brush stroke, guys. It's probably going to take 2 coats, but I'm going to do it really well and slowly because I don't want nasty brush marks. I do a lot of painting for a living, so I'm going to make sure that it is nice as possible. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so bright in here. But look, there we go. Let's, oh my goodness. I've just stopped for a second because I really wanted to share that feeling of, I don't know, it's just satisfying. The satisfaction is off the chart. It's clean, and that's just the first coat. Beautiful finish already, in my opinion. But the second coat, it's just going to look immaculate. Oh my God, it changes the mood in here. This is only 1 coat, but I wanted to share with you this bit because this bit offended me no end. Just the colour and the vibe of this steering column. It was hideous, and it just, I hope you're picking that up. Oh, it's just so good. I know I'm looking a bit cack-handed painting it, but it's just the room. Should we do this bit? I can go over the horn, by the way, because the horn is now down there. Well, doesn't she look cleaner? This is just 1 coat. I know it looks patchy. And the reason I've only done parts of the steering wheel is because I'm wrapping it in a steering wheel wrap, obviously in pink. Yeah, I just need to get 2 pink pegs for my choke because it just doesn't really go with the blue now. And I'm gonna get some new chairs reupholstered in my design. And there we go. Good day. the camera is going to wobble a lot, and I apologise, but I haven't got the stabilisers on van, and this tyre on this side has started to go down a little bit. But I wanted to show you something really cool. I was approached on Instagram by a lady who had 5 rolls of this really cool retro 1960s wallpaper. Do I tell you the rules? Basically, she stole it in the 60s and she said, oh, I think it's safe to sell it now. Anyway, I absolutely wanted it. It's actually pre-glued, but obviously it's not going to work anymore. But look how cute this is. And this is going to be the kitschest van ever. So I'm thinking of using that, even though I've got a lot of pink going in here. I think I can make it work. How utterly adorable is that? I've got enough to do the walls. Now I am going to get round to emptying it. I've been trying to do it all day, but I keep going back to the pink paint in the front and then thinking, oh, well, how can I decorate it? So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to do it. I'm absolutely going to do it. And the rest of the van is going to be pink, but I think I can make it work. Just sort of show you. I took photos last night and I put the cupboards, all the cushions, the under storage, copper plates, sink, everything on a Bambi Facebook group, and I pretty much sold it all. So that's great. Well, it didn't go completely to plan today. I do need 2 of these. The other one definitely isn't the right one. I need the clips as well. I did paint the 2 coats in the cab, but I'm going to show you that next time because I'm going to try and fit the leopard print carpet in the front cab for you to see that, like, the whole finished look. I sold all the bits out the back, but I haven't taken them out. I've taken the cooker piece out and that's it. Well, it was sort of out already. Anyway, until next time.
Okay.
You're only here for the party. I might just get what I wanted. The sound, the vibe.